Hello everyone, welcome to the weekend market analysis. Today 18th July, Nifty ends this week at 24,968 and Bank Nifty at 56,283. Before proceeding to our this week market analysis, let me share some ideas about the wave counts. So the main question is, are we completed this wave 5 or still the wave 5 can proceed higher? See, it can go higher, that has the possibility, but for that it needs to be some ending diagonal structure needs to form, but currently we cannot say is this structure can take ED. Okay, so we cannot assume now. Other option is the price can move like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, right? So in this option, it can be wave 5 or new wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in these cases, the price can move higher. But both these options are purely based on assumptions and we not having relevant data. So as per the price data available, I'm not having these assumptions now, and by seeing these price actions in Bank Nifty, let me assume the wave 5 has been completed now. Okay, see, there are options for more highs also, but for that we need more price action. Currently there are multiple opportunities to count these structures now, so let us have some more price action to confirm that. Okay, so as of now I am completing the wave 5 and the decline may proceed. This is the assumption. Now we are going to hourly chart. See, in our previous video, when the price was trading here, we discussed that 25,270 is the important resistance and most probably the price can decline. Okay, and we expected price to reach 2500 and our primary expectation was the price to take support here and move higher. Okay, at the same time we had alternate view that if the price crosses that 2500 in speed manner, the price can decline more. Many have asked that why alternate view? This is alternate view. See, I'm not saying that below this the view is invalid. No, I'm not saying that. Even below that level, I'm giving the alternate view what may happen. So below 2500 in speed manner, see the price action. This is called speed manner. As per alternate view, going below 2500 in speed manner, the price can decline further. And today opening itself, Bank Nifty gave a clue that it opens below this trend line. That opening gives us important clue that the price can go below 2500. Okay, opening itself, the Bank Nifty open below this trend line, right? So this is what happened now, and see, this I shared. Now it is not a wave 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but the 4 traded here, so it is not a wave 4 now. And we also discussed that there is a possibility of WXY like this. Okay, this one option I shared in the previous video also. So this is what I shared here. It can be WXY complex, and regarding the levels, if the decline needs to stop and bounce, okay, then this range is important, 24,920 to 24,820. Okay, please understand, if the decline needs to stop and bounce, so today's low is 24, I think 24,918 exactly. So 24,920 is the range, and today's low was 24,918 precisely, and holding that level. Okay, not a significant bounce, but holding that level, and there is a possibility of one more low to these levels, 24,920 to 24,820, even 24,850. Okay, so 24,850 is reachable, and see, the assumption is like this. I'm marking this subways. So after this, the price can give a bounce, and we are not sure that it is X wave or just a wave 4. Okay, like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but I'm not confident in this price action counting it as wave 1. So that's why I'm counting it as ABC as of now. So in both the cases, a bounce may come. Okay, that is what we need to understand. So forget the counts now. Let us focus on the bounce, and the important levels can be, as I marked here, 24,920 to 24,820. So 25,850 to 820. If the price declines, these are the levels important, and assuming the price coming to 24,850, okay, and the bounce can reach 25,122. What is this level? Approximately 25,210. Okay, in these zones the price can retrace, bounce. Okay, I remove this line. Hope you are clear now. So this is what we expectation, and you can also draw a parallel channel. Okay, so a small decline may come and a bounce may come, and the bounce may take the price to 2500 to 25,210 in this zone, and this is based on the price coming to 24,850 to 820. But the price reverses from here itself, it can reach this high of around 25,250. That's all. Okay, that balance 50 points you can add here. Okay, this is the view on Nifty. In Bank Nifty, see, these trend lines we already discussed many times right from here, and clearly the price gave a breakdown. But at the same time, I have a mild doubt that still one more high is possible in Bank Nifty like this. Okay, so it should have an E wave. So there is a possibility in Bank Nifty to make one more high to 57,700. Okay, that's the assumption. That is a possibility, but in that case, Nifty can give a good bounce, and the Bank Nifty reaches the another high, so that the intermarket divergence also may develop. So all these are assumptions, but we focusing on first the support and the bounce. Then we discuss in Wednesday. And Bank Nifty, see, as I shared in the X platform, see here the important support levels are between 56,350 to 56,280. So price closed at 56,283. Our level also important, 56,280 only. So the 56,280 came, and the price is holding this level as of now. If a pause in decline or a small bounce, see, many ask this why. So reason is just like this, as I shared here, 1, 2, 3, a consolidation, and 4, 5. That may also happen here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if that level comes, we can expect 5650 also. Okay, 56,050. That is what I shared here. Okay, price already reaches the 56,280, but a small pause. The price is pausing here. That is what I am saying. The price pauses here, a small bounce, it may come to 5650 again. Okay, and now is this can be a wave D. See, actually the price came below this trend line. It is below the trend line now, so we should approach in a cautious way only. Okay, but still a small approach that it can be wave D or not. So in this case, there is a possibility that the price can move higher, but for that, first let us price take support, and if the price takes support, we can expect a retracement pullback to this level of 56,650 to this trend line. Okay, 56,770. For the price to make one more high, the price needs to trade within this channel. Okay, okay, only then we can expect a new high in Bank Nifty. So before that, some sort of support and bounce can be expected. Okay, this is the support zone and this is the expected bounce, and based on this we can discuss during Wednesday. Okay, so this is the update on Nifty and Bank Nifty, and remember, if any gap down below these levels, see, as of now it is a complex only, see, ABC X ABC. So it should end a correction here. Okay, some sort of sideways correction is ending here. That's why I have an idea of one more high in Bank Nifty. But at the same time, if the price gaps down below this range, the mentioned range, and moves lower, then it may take an impulse down, right? So for that only I am saying. So if any gap down, then you should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the primary approach, if there is no gap down below these points, this is the support and the price can bounce, right? Similar to Nifty and Bank Nifty. But if the price gaps down below this point, see even below 24,750, this point, the price comes below this point, the price will somehow reach the previous low of 24,450. Okay, so this point will decide that. Okay, so this is the approach in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let us move on to the commodities. First one is crude oil. See, crude oil. See, we discussed in the previous weekend video that crude oil as the minimum requirement to come to 65.5. Okay, here during this time we discussed, and the price came to 65.5. Exactly, the price came to 65.5 and bounced. Okay, see, we need to take decisions at turning points only, maybe support or breakout, or resistance or breakdown. So these are the areas we need to take decisions. In midway we need to observe. So that is what we are going to do now. See, I will remove all these lines now. As per the expectation, exactly price came to 65.5 and bouncing. Now the price needs to cross this point, previous high, for higher targets of 71, 73. Okay, these zones. But suppose in any case, if the price comes below this point of 65.5, then downside targets are still open and it can reach even 63 to 62.2. So for taking view, the price needs to move above this high or come below this slope. So this is the view in crude oil. In between, the price will even consolidate, right? So decision point is above this line or below this line. And next one is natural gas. See, in natural gas, exactly the price moved as per expectation. This is in previous week we expected price to reach 3.56 and the next target is 3.69, and see, the price moved higher and currently reaches our expected levels, and now the price can give some pullback. Okay, I think the price can give some pullback and minimum to this level approximately 3.40. Okay, and then based on this we can decide next, because there is a possibility of price to reach 3.84 also. Okay, see, the minimum requirement has been done. So first let us see how the price behaves here. So the expectation is the price can give a pullback and that price can come to 3.40. So next one is gold and silver. See, in gold, I shared this when the price was trading around 3324. The support zone is between 3320 to 3310. Just see the magical reversal in gold. Okay, this I shared during this time. Okay, I think on during this candle only. Okay, when the price was trading here, I shared this 3320 3310, and exactly from 3320 the price bounces to previous resistance. See, this is the buy zone and this is the target. Okay, and the price declined again and came lower, and see this magical level 3310, exactly 3310. So how beautifully the price is working and multiple opportunities to take trades. Now see, this price needs to cross above this point, same like crude oil. We need to take decision at the turning points only. So, and overall seeing the commodities, all are looking like a consolidation pattern only. Okay, see, as I said, in gold, this can be even ABC also. Okay, I think WXY, probably W, even it can be WXY also. But considering silver, okay, let us combine gold and silver. Silver, yes, see here, this is the expectation 38.76. Price crossed in fast manner, but do you remember what I said in previous video? The price will take resistance here and consolidate here. Even I shared the support in silver also. during this time, July 16. For one more high, the important levels are 37.62 to 37.42. See how closely the decimal points, and the low 37.50. See, within this point exactly, and in this zone the price took support. But by seeing this, the price can even consolidate here, okay, some sort of sideways, and only crossing above this 39 we can reach 40, and 40 is achievable, but before that the price may consolidate, right? It may consolidate again, and it may even reach this point, okay, and from this the price may move higher to 40. We will come to this WXY later, and for that you can use this trend line, okay. You can use this trend line for support. Below this trend line the price can decline further, but silver needs to go higher. So WXY is I'm not expecting currently now, but based on the new price action we can decide. Until that you can even expect a consolidation here. This is not a proper triangle, okay, this is not a proper triangle, and until that the price may consolidate here, okay. So simple, crossing this previous high the price can reach 3400, and you can draw a trend line. That will be the resistance. Breakout may take the price higher. For support you can use this trend line. So until that the price may consolidate here. By seeing silver, gold and silver both can consolidate. So this is the approach in gold and silver. And Bitcoin, see Bitcoin also we expected 1,22,000 as resistance when the price is trading here, and the price crossed fastly above the 1,22,000 and even reached 1,23,000. And what happened? The price reversed. See, this is all-time high, no price actions to take the resistance, but why the price reversed? 100% purely based on Fibs and waves, okay. And even I said this one, if the price pauses or consolidate here, one more high is possible, okay. And if the price consolidate here, the same range, or even if the decline comes, it can reach until 1,14,000, okay, 1,14,000, but it can consolidate, and support can be 1,14,000. Even move sideways, it can have one more high. So the expectation for this week is mostly sideways only, already in consolidation only, right from the posting this. I not took the date, okay, right from this date the price is consolidating only. So this is the approach for this week. So this is the complete view for the market next week. And if you wish to understand this Elliottwave, see, this is the level you need to understand the price is going to decline, 2,500. And once the price declines, we expected until 2,550. And once the price crosses that, immediately reach 24,920. And as of now, the price is holding that level. And even you witness natural gas, gold and silver, exact reversal, okay, pinpoint reversal. So all these can be done through Elliott waves when combined with the Fib numbers. So if you wish to learn this Elliott waves, you can register my course. 100% practical, no theory. You can take trades and you can understand the market dynamics. So if you're really interested to learn Elliott waves and get advanced knowledge in Elliott waves, you can register my course. And if you are new to the stock market, you can learn my Master the Markets through technical analysis. I give all details in the description. You can check the website and course contents for your better understanding. And the most important point, all the levels and opinions shared in this video only for learning Elliott waves and not any kind of buy or sell recommendations. Do your own analysis before taking any positions. And in trading, capital protection is important more than reward. Give importance to the risk management. So thank you. We'll meet you in the midweek market update. Take care.